This movie poster for The Misfits is an excellent example of creative design that effectively uses visual elements to capture attention and convey the film's essence. Here's a breakdown of how it was created and why it is creatively effective. Key elements and their creation. 1. Prominent cast display. How to create. High-quality images of the main cast members are strategically positioned to catch the viewer's eye. These images are likely taken from high-resolution promotional photo shoots. Creativity. The arrangement showcases the star power of the film, with Pierce Brosnan centered, indicating his pivotal role. Other actors are placed around him, each with distinct expressions hinting at their character personas. 2. Vibrant background and color scheme. How to create. The use of a desert landscape with warm, golden hues creates a striking backdrop. Digital illustration and photo manipulation tools like Adobe Photoshop are used to blend these elements seamlessly. Creativity. The color palette of yellows and oranges not only sets a dramatic tone but also symbolizes the action and heat of the film's plot, which involves heists and high-stakes chases. 3. Dynamic action scenes. How to create. The lower part of the poster features dynamic scenes, including cars, bikes, and explosions, created using a mix of CGI and real footage. These elements are layered to add depth and excitement. Creativity. These action scenes immediately convey the genre of the film and promise excitement and adventure, appealing to action movie fans. 4. Title design. How to create. The title, The Misfits, uses a bold, modern font with a stylized $sign replacing the S, designed using graphic design software like Adobe Illustrator. Creativity. The clever use of the $sign hints at the film's theme of theft and crime, making the title visually interesting and thematic. 5. Tagline. How to create. The tagline, "They're not bad guys, they just steal from bad guys," is placed right below the title in a contrasting color for readability. Creativity. This concise tagline succinctly captures the film's plot twist and character motivations, intriguing potential viewers. 6. Composition and layout. How to create. The overall layout is meticulously planned to balance all elements harmoniously. Using grid systems and design software ensures proper alignment and spacing. Creativity. The triangular composition with Pierce Brosnan at the apex directs the viewer's focus efficiently and creates a visually pleasing symmetry. Visual hierarchy. The poster effectively uses visual hierarchy to guide the viewer's eyes from the cast to the title and then to the action scenes, ensuring all key information is communicated. Thematic consistency. Every element, from the color scheme to the action-packed visuals and the stylized title, aligns with the film's theme, creating a cohesive and engaging design. Emotional appeal. The combination of familiar faces, intense action, and a clever tagline elicits excitement and curiosity, essential for drawing in the audience. In summary, this movie poster's creativity lies in its ability to integrate multiple design elements harmoniously while clearly conveying the film's genre, plot, and key selling points. Using advanced design tools and techniques, the creators have crafted a visually appealing and effective promotional piece.